Just,
Regina,
yes, ma'am.
so sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead.
You've got a question on Facebook. This is from Maxine Gidry. She says, Regina, I wonder what would happen if you merged your Christmas hair girl, the ones with the ornaments,
Mm.
and the dog, and see what it would what that would do together.
Um, we could try
Ooh.
it and put it together and see if I can get the Christmas balls together on the dog. But see, look at all these. I,
Ooh.
I did so many of them. And then this right here are all the blends from, I think right here, all the blends that came from Sabrina's GPT paired up with Linda's GPT. All of the dogs
Wow.
from that. So
Ma'am, people, okay, wait a minute. All I see is a purse. I see
right, come on
shopping
now.
bags. I see t-shirt designs. Matter of fact,
Wall art.
wall art all day. But I see
Perfect.
bathroom wall art, so bathroom wall art, and then you make the cup holder to go to match it, and then you
Get
make the
this
mats to go with it. Like it's a
doggy
whole
dish
bathroom set.
mats.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, dish mats, absolutely.
Yeah,
Placemats, table
I,
Placemats,
placemats.
yep.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Yep.
Doormats. Let's
Would they be
go.
big enough to make the leashes with, those leashes that they have? Some of them.
Uh-huh.
you
Yep.
can turn it into a digital pattern, Stephanie,
Mm-hmm.
and then place that on the leash. So this
Wallpaper,
mhm,
not wallpaper, but
tissue paper.
wrapping paper.
Uh-huh. And this is the cats. These came from her cat GPT. Look at these so cool, so cute. I love them.
They're not even making me sneeze.
Because they're art. They're art.
Who is that, Stephanie?
Yeah. Look at that coat. Come on now. Look the coat on the little cat.
Hey, I told you they gonna come dressed.